Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle. First, gather your essential tools. You will need various screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and of course, the correct replacement door handle for your vehicle. Safety glasses and gloves are highly recommended for your protection throughout this process. Having everything ready beforehand makes the job much smoother and more efficient. Next, let's move to the interior of your door. Carefully locate and remove all the screws holding the interior door panel in place. Once the screws are out, use your trim removal tool to gently pry off the panel clips, working your way around the edges. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for window switches, before fully removing the panel. With the interior panel removed, you can now access the old door handle mechanism. Locate and remove the screws that secure the old handle to the door frame. Then, carefully disconnect the linkage rods that connect the handle to the latch. These rods often have small clips that need to be released. Once disconnected, gently pull the old handle assembly out. Now it's time to install your new door handle. First, connect the linkage rods to the new handle, ensuring they are securely clipped in place. Then, position the new handle and secure it with its mounting screws. Before fully reattaching the interior panel, test the new handle's operation to ensure it functions correctly. Finally, reattach the interior door panel and all electrical connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.